morning, respected teachers and students. My name is Bhagyashree. I am studying 9th class. Today I am going to tell about role of technology in modern world. Technology plays a crucial role in in our lives and and has become essential for various reasons. One important aspect is communication. With technology, we can easily connect with people. We can easily connect with people through emails, social media, and video calls. This helps us stay in touch with family and friends, fostering global conditions. Education is another area gently impacted by technology. Using computers and internet, students can access a wealth of information instantly. In the field of healthcare, technology has revolutionized medical treatments and diagnostics. Advanced machines and software aid in accurate diagnosis, and telemedicine provides remote access to health consultations. In conclusion, technology is of paramount importance in our lives. Education, efficiency, and health work. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Understanding I'm studying in 9th class. Today I'm telling about unemployment problems. Unemployment is a burning problem of many countries, including India also. But unemployment is does not only jobless. Likewise, unemployment is also include those people who are working in the areas that are out of their expert and mastery. The numerous types of unemployment is seasonal unemployment, seasonal unemployment, open unemployment, technological unemployment. Some seasonal unemployment is growth progression, slow economical growth, population occupation. The the government take this problem very seriously and take action slowly to decreasing the level of unemployment. The sections are available for the DRDP means it integrated rural development programs, DPAP, drought prone areas programs, etc. We can say that the problems is very important issue for the all of us equally. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Morning to all judges. My name is Manisha. I am studying 8th standard. I am telling about deforestation. Deforestation, cutting trees of cutting trees and that land using for other purposes. It causes ecological imbalance. The loss of trees and other vegetation can cause climate change, soil erosion, fewer crops, and an increase in the greenhouse gases. Balance of carbon dioxide and ozone layer will disturb. Rainfall is affected, which results or desertification or flooding. Deforestation increase can increase the risk of many natural calamities such as floods, droughts, etc. Increase in the greenhouse gases in atmosphere. It can it can lead to global warming, and it can increase the level of CO2 as a result vehicles and industrial pollution. If Thank you for giving this golden opportunity. Thank you. Good morning to everyone. My name is Samir Hamaliti. I am studying in the class Balaji English Medium High School. Now I am talking about deforestation. Deforestation means cutting down trees or clearing of the forest to make space for agriculture, construction, and other human activities. Causes of deforestation: agriculture, the, agriculture, the large scale of farming and cattle breeding to produce carbohydrates, beef, soy, and palm oil, etc. Logging to cut down trees for timber and other human activities. Mining, the extraction of minerals and the extraction of minerals and oil from earth. Urbanization, to build houses, new roads, and industries. Natural disasters like wildfires, droughts, fires, and etc. Effects of deforestation: loss of biodiversity. Deforestation destroys many plants and animal species. Climate change. Deforestation leads to greenhouse gases and volcano eruptions. Volcano eruptions. Soil erosion. Without trees, the soil can be washed off, blown away. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone, to respected correspondent ma'am and sir, and my dear friends, respected two teachers. My name is S. Muhammad Ashad. I am here to say about the importance of yoga. Yoga is a mental, physical, and spiritual practice which helps in attending a great mind and body and soul. The word yoga has derived from Sanskrit language. It refers to union. The yoga has been originated from ancient India back to pre-Vedic times. Yoga fights stress and improve the immunity system and flexibility, health and overall personality. A study shows that around 16 million people in US practices yoga. There are 6 branches of yoga: Raja Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Jnana Yoga, Hatha Yoga, Karma Yoga and Mantra Yoga. We celebrate International Yoga Day on 21st June to spread the awareness of yoga and its benefits. Yoga is just not another form of exercise, but it approach in inner well of being maintained. So day-to-day life of the yoga has became important to everyone. That's all. Thanks to my visions. Today's topic, importance of yoga. Thanks to
Good morning to respected teachers and all my dear friends. My name is T. Praveen. I am studying in 6th class. Now I am telling about importance of agriculture. Agriculture is the occupation and significant contributor in the Indian economic change. China is a producer of rice with 195 million metric tons. There are functions and related to agriculture. Bakasi, Lohari, Pongal, Ugadi, etc. There are process growing of agriculture. Thank you.
Madam and my dear friends, I am Deepika from 6th class. I am telling about child labor. Child labor means taking work from small children. Money is given in return to work of these children. These children are less than age of 14 years. Child labor crime fine is there against child labor. Punishment is also there for those who take work from small children. These children started forced to do work in factories and other places. Okay, thank you, sir and madam.
Good morning everyone. My name is Tarun. I am studying in 4th standard. To respected teachers and my dear friends, today I am telling about importance of recycling. Recycling means turning waste into new products. It convert into natural resources into recycling paper as forest and trees. Recycle Recycle makes energy for make, making recycle. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am studying fourth standard now. I am telling about recycling of plastic. Plastic waste management, collecting, sorting, washing, reprocessing and melting. Plastic waste to make new products. All plastics are not recyclable. Plastic recycling saves energy and reduces carbon emission. Protects environment from the plastic and wildlife. We can reduce from the plastic by reusing, recycling and avoiding single-use plastic. Stop the pollution and be part of solution. Thank you.